Right, breath into Gloom 1. Then Gloom Group 1, you can go now.
Invoke Yuan, the Jade Serpent.
And be in your orb stack spots. Orbs are coming out in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, now. Absolutely decimated. Perfect. Gloom 2, you can go nice and early. Gloom 2 coming out in 5 seconds. And then it's breath into orbs after this. So be in your orb spots now. Breath coming out now and then straight into orbs. So orbs in 4, 3, 2, 1, now.
Celestial Conduit.
Finish these. A couple at the back. Watch your feet. Bit more damage on the left one if you can. And then Gloom Group 1 through the raid in 8 seconds. Gloom 1 coming through the raid now, give them room.
Come to the light's blessings.
Right, get under the mob now. First breath goes north. Shadow marks out. Out, 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 out.
The Jade Serpent.
Don't ever do that again. Next shadow marks go north. Get out, get out, get out. Next breath goes south. But wait with breaking now. So wait, do not break yet. Wait, 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 wait. Break now. And then get back under the mob. Pressure personals here. Get back under. Under, under, under. We're going to get a new shadow marks. Just go, get out now. Go to China. And we've got orbs coming in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. Good. There's a couple at the back here. Just turn around and hit those. Perfect. Watch the null beam. Good.
Celestial Conduit.
And then it's tether into breath into orbs. So you break this tether and you go straight to your orb spots. Watch your feet. Breath coming now. And then orbs are coming in about 5 seconds. Res Yepa instantly. Orbs are coming in 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. And then Gloom Group 1, go now. Gloom 1. It's already out. Don't nuke people here. Gloom 1. Aye. You can unk. Oddy.
Health, health.
Here you go. And then it's tether into orbs into breath again. So you break this tether and you go straight to your orb spots. Break this. Watch your feet. And then orbs are coming in 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. And then there's a breath straight after. Do not fuck this breath up. Breath coming now. Anata. Good. And then Gloom Group 2. Gloom 2. Go now. Gloom 2 is out.
Okay, for the next Gloom, someone has to replace me.
Yeah, Mage Pika can be on Gloom Group 1
Hit left one.
at the end. Hit the left one, please. Everyone on Vaelgor.
Okay, I'm up.
Everyone on
Don't worry
Vaelgor.
about it.
Okay, ignore that Mage Pika. So everyone in orbs coming in. Orb stacks in 3, 2, 1. Now. And then break your tether. Have to kill these quickly because in the intermission, the orbs are happening straight away.
Invoke Yuan.
So range take the outside, melee take the middle. If you get shadow mark, you leave the light circle. So they're coming now in 3, 2, 1. Now, dome these orbs. And then Gloom 1 is coming now. Aim the Gloom to the right. Aim the Gloom to the right. Gloom Group 1. Look where the Gloom is. Look
We
where the
need one
Gloom
more.
is.
Someone
Two
needs to
more,
take minus
come on.
soul balance.
I need someone to help soak this. One more person. Can you kind of YOLO soak? We have.
Come on.
You got it. Naive. Right. Finish the mob quickly. Shadow marks out. Finish the mob quickly. You have to kill this mob. Fix the dragons. Please fix the dragons. Please fix the dragons.
Oh, no.
That's fine.
Good, they went
That's
out.
fine. Listen, it's Gloom Group 2, but don't soak until your debuffs wore off. So Gloom 2, it's going through the raid. Listen now, Gloom 2 through the raid. Fuck off unless you're soaking. Gloom 2. Mage Pika, can you soak this one as well? Blink it back, thank you. Breath on Oddie. Good. Get into your orb stack spots. Get into your orb spots and you ignore these orbs. You ignore these orbs, just CC them. Kill the boss. CC the orbs, please, and just kill the bosses. If you want to cleave them down, that's fine, but just focus bosses here. The next thing that happens is in 15 seconds, if we get it,
You have to kill it, yeah.
yeah, we have to kill it, essentially.
Yeah, you have to kill it in 8
Yeah,
seconds.
we're fine.
Yeah, nice.
So you're going to get Gloom, 1's going to go out, and you're essentially dead if this goes off. Don't die to this, get out of the way of it, don't get clipped by it. Just kill them, please.
Oh my god.
Easy.
Clean.
Did you have to aim it that way to make